Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Italian sausage and spaghetti instead of your Instant Pot. It's a great one-pot meal that you're going to love. Get your Instant Pot to saute and go ahead and add in a couple tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. We're going to saute 1 pound of Italian sausage links inside. So before we really get started with the recipe, be sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when new recipes are released. I do 2 recipes a week and I'd love for you to see what's coming up next. All right, so in goes the 1 pound of sausage. And again, we're gonna cook this towards about 50 or 60% of the way through. Now what this will do is it'll add some nice browning to the sausage so you'll get a little bit more flavor, and it'll make it easy for you to cut the links into bite-sized pieces. And if you like, go ahead and take a moment at this point to kind of wipe out the oil of this pan while you're slicing up the sausage. That way you can reduce the amount of fat that's in the final product. Now if I walk you through this recipe, we're also going to add in 2 24-ounce jars of spaghetti sauce, a pound of pasta, and a couple of cups of water to kind of wash out those jars of spaghetti to make sure we get all that goodness in there. And then we're going to cook it for 8 minutes on high on your manual setting, so it's really easy to do. All right, so just slicing up the sausage into bite-sized pieces. Now I love to do this whenever I have a great big crowd of people and I need to feed them inexpensively. This dish will make about 6 to 8 serving sizes, depending upon how much your guests like. Now, 1 pound of pasta goes into the Instant Pot. I find that the brand Barilla does really well. 2 cups of water, it's important for the pasta. And I also kind of use it because when I empty out the jars of pasta sauce, that I put the water in there, shake it up, and put all the goodness in there. So you got everything in your Instant Pot. Now do the manual setting for 8 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a quick release on this. Now, sometimes some people have experienced that when they do a quick release with pasta, that it can spew up a lot of extra water and starch. At that point, stop that release immediately and let it go ahead and do a natural release where you let it come down to pressure on its own. Just a troubleshooting tip right there. But anyway, that's it. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's so easy to do. And it's packed full of flavor because the spaghetti has sauce all in it. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and thanks for watching.